Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a question of October 2022, 13 variant, question number 4. And topic is differentiation rate of change. A large industrial water tank is such that the depth of water is given X meters. Depth. So he represents depth with a X. So depth with a X. Make sure, don't forget it. The volume of the water is given by this formula. So let me write the volume. So volume 243 minus 1 over 3, 9 minus x to power 3. Okay, and it means the volume we represent by V. Okay, water is being pumped into the tank at a constant rate of 3.6 meter cube per hour. So, and sometime if you confuse what is a technique, so this units will help you. Meter cube is always unit of volume and hour is the time. So it means it means that this is a value of d volume by dt. How I know? Because meter cube is a volume and t for hour. So I think clear. So 3.6 meter cube per hour given by him. All right. And find the rate of increase of depth. So it means dx over dt is our target. Okay. And but when the depth is 4, so when x is equals to 4. And as a teacher, I suggest you, when you do this kind of question exam, you just write this data like that, the way I'm writing. Okay, it did not mean that I'm explaining as a teacher. No, as a student, you must write this data. In this way, the chance of mistake reduces and the speed will increase, or you will understand the question easily. So rate of increase of depth, okay? So this is my target. So first of all, make a plan here, a rough plan. So dx over dt is my target. So I write two fractions. But before writing fraction, you must know how many variables used in the question, okay? So look at here. One variable used is x, second variable used is the volume, and third is a t for time. So whenever three will use in question, we use always rate of change. We'll all use a chain rule formula. Look, I'm writing here chain rule formula. So chain rule formula. And how to use chain rule formula? What is unknown? What is unknown? Right, left hand side. Many students have idea. They ask, so they have question. How to know, sir? How to start a formula? I am repeating. What is unknown? Copy left hand side. And now upper value copy in the first numerator. Second value copy in second denominator. And now what variable left behind? Look, x used, gone. T used, gone. V left. This volume, dv and dv, copy like that. Okay, this value you have already, you can see. But this is missing, and this we get from here. How come? V for volume, yes. X for depth. I think clear idea. So I will differentiate rule of the topic. Left-hand side variable will come up and right-side variable will go down, dv by dx. So we can reverse it later on. So dv by dx, but here dx by dv. So after getting the answer, I will flip it. So let's start. So this derivative is equals to 0, and this power will come down. Minus 3 already present. 3 comes down, and power of this will reduce by 1, become 2. And base copy 9 minus x. And times to the base derivative. And what is that? And 9 becomes 0, and minus x become minus 1. And I think I'm close to simplify. 3 cancel out. This negative 1 into negative 1, positive 1, and my differentiation step is over. Okay, so now some student missed this part. So be careful regarding it. Okay, now I'll say that at x equal to 4, I get it from here. So I will plug in, so dv over dx. And when I plug in 4 here, so 9 minus 4 to power 2. So 25 it comes. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So now I'm going to plug in these values here. So I'm bringing this chain rule formula here. Okay. And now I'm using this value unknown. I'm leaving as it is. But this value in a flipped form. Reason, volume up, x down. But I need x up, volume down. So I will write not 25, 1 over 25. And this value I have already 3.6. So I'm copying it. Hold on, if I type in calculator 3.6 divided by 25, I get 18 over 125. Or you can write in decimals, no problem at all. But this answer is, basic units we have meter per hour. So this is because X, this is the length. So meter per hour we got. Now question comes whenever meter per hour, this kind of thing comes. But he said here, very clear, should give you answer in centimeter per minute. So I have to convert meter of hour to centimeter per minute. Do you know, students, meter to centimeter, if you convert, multiply by 100, and hour to minute, when I convert, multiply by 60. So what I will do, 0.144 times 2100 and over 60. And I believe they got idea. And let me type it proper, full here. And I'm getting here 0.24 centimeter per minute. Okay, and that's it. And the question is completely over.